Hey, I am Reba Renee. Welcome to my channel. I will be reading God's Word from Proverbs 31st chapter, 30th verse. And it will be the King James Version first and then the easy to read version. Favor is deceitful and beauty is vain. But a woman that feareth the Lord, she shall be praised. Grace and beauty can fool you, but a woman who respects the Lord should be praised. That is my desire, is to please the Lord, because there's no other way, y'all. Because he's a way maker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. That is who he is. Yes, my shirt, y'all. My Temu special. I am also getting ready to mount this homeboy. I don't know if I want to place it on the window or on the dashboard or wherever, because from the video on Temu, it shared that you can mount it in different places. So we shall see, y'all, and see how good it is. Here it is right here, and I'll probably show you later. It does have this on here, and I don't know if I want to put that on my window. I had something on my window before, like this jelly-like substance, if you can see it, and sticky glue, and I think it took me a minute to get it off of my window, and don't know if I want it on my dashboard. So we shall figure this out. Two part item. When you want to close it, you press this. So you just press this together. This doesn't move, but this one goes in, if you can see. So press it and you can adjust it. Even this, press this side doesn't move, but this side does. And you just adjust it to what you want it to where you want it to be. And even this one, only one side is it will move or is adjustable. That will, see that? And this is how it look in the front. I'm gonna see how this works and then go from there, y'all. But I'm hoping that it will give me what I need when I want to record with my phone inside of my car. I changed my case again, y'all. I went back to this because I like it. Even though the paint or enamel or whatever it is coming off, I still like this because it just gives me the support that I need when I'm out and about. If I had this at the register and I wanted to do something else with my hands, I don't have to rest it on the counter. I can just put it on my wrist and do what I need to do without, you know, sometimes we can forget we laid something down. So yeah, this is what I have on my lips, y'all. I'm still having a good time with this. It is so moisturizing. It feels moisturizing if it's not, to my lips, and I just like the way it feels as I apply it to my lips, the feeling that I get from it. And that is what I have on now, and it is, I'm enjoying it. And this is from Bath and Body Works, and this is iced, I got it upside down, y'all, iced plush. I went back to, oh, and I'm gonna tell y'all this. I just started that high, I can't tell you what it is, but this is what I'm using. And I had started it last night. I'm trying to find something to help with moisture to my face. Going through the change and my body just feel like it is just drying up. Yes, my skin. And I always seem to have had issues with my skin. It's just now is extra. So, and I had eczema on my body, but didn't usually have it on my face. So yeah, that was one part that I can not remember having eczema on my face. So I'm trying to take care of my skin. Don't want to have a whole lot of pimples on my face. And I used to think you get pimples only when you're younger, but yeah, you can get bumps on your face when you're older, in between, and so on. But I've been using this, and I was told that this is not good, what I've seen on social media. But this, when I apply, what I do is apply water to my face, and then I apply this. So I'm feel like it holds me for the day. And right here is just different parts of my body. Under here, it just get irritated around the edges here on my face, my forehead. I'm just trying to work with myself. So I'm trying that to see how that will work on my face. I heard that that is a good, maybe not a good product, but that type of product is good for your face to help with moisture and giving your face, your skin, what it needs to stay hydrated. I went back to Victoria's Secret because I wanted to return something. Yes, that. I wanted to return that because I am someone who does spray the majority of my fragrance on my clothing, not on my skin. I have recently started applying it to my arms and sometimes to my legs, but I can't apply it here. This is the war zone here. Right here is the war zone. I cannot be applying a whole lot of stuff there. I will dab here and here, but it cannot roll down to here because, yeah, I don't want to start fighting with myself because I did a no-no. So I don't want glitter. So I decided to take it back. I do have other peach fragrances, and I do have the peach lotion of that, but I prefer not to have that. So I took it back. Was trying to get something. I didn't have my receipt on me. I tried to look it up, but I purchased it a little while ago. So I decided to just take it back and try to get something, Victoria's Secret just ended their SAS. Was it yesterday? I think it said with the email that I received. So, sometimes they will leave things in there after their sale. I guess like Bath and Body Works, but they didn't have too much to offer me online nor in the stores that I have been attending. So I was trying to find something. I'm a vanilla girl. Usually if I find something that has a vanilla fragrance in it, I want it. I did see the new line, but it was not on sale. That old cherry honey. Oh, cherry. I would like to get that, and then is the apple fragrance. And I don't know if it's another one, but they have a new item up there as well. Check out my short, but they didn't have the body mist of that fragrance, the new one that they have in stores. But this is what I decided to get. Electric Mango. It's exotic guava and passion fruit. When I first smelled this, it took me a minute to find something to substitute that fragrance, that peach fragrance, because if they didn't have the glitter in it, I probably would have purchased 2 to 3 of them just to have them in my collection. But because they did not have that, I decided to go ahead and change it out. And it says in the back, juicy pineapple, spiced up salty driftwood, and then the other thing. I like the packaging. It don't have a lot going on. Yeah, it is the shortcut small version of art, but the bottle, and I'm assuming it is not the bottle, or is it? I don't know if it's the bottle or just the wrap, but I like the color, how it changes from one color to the next. So this is nice. The Atomizers is nothing unique and outgoing about it. It's just a regular one, but I do enjoy their lids. But I think it's a nice mango fragrance, y'all. It smells good. I mean, if you smell it on the initial spray, you be like, But if you let that homeboy dry down and do his thing, I think that you may like this. I didn't get it because I wasn't feeling it. And really, that vanilla fragrance that I saw over on Victoria's Secret side, that is what I wanted. But another one, but they didn't have it. So this is all that I decided to get, y'all. And yeah, I'm happy with this item, and I do have the other mango, so maybe I can from Pink, so I may try to blend them together and see what I can get out of it. It is exotic. It is, oh, this is, yes, passion, a passionate fragrance. I didn't have a receipt, so I had to find something of equal value or pay the difference for another fragrance. So I decided not to, I'll say, buy something that was not on sale and to pay the difference. So I just went on and got something else, but I'm happy with this fragrance. And yeah, because I wasn't going to get this. I didn't get it at the beginning of the sale for this, but when it was $6.99, but I'm happy that I got it at the end of the sale and it was there for me. So I will check you all out on another video. You all be blessed. Bye.